Welcome back, and we are in this video we're going to do the last task in the upload vulnerabilities room in TryHackMe. The last task is a challenge, and a challenge we're required to apply everything we have learned throughout the past or the previous tasks and apply it on this challenge. The challenge is kind of bypassing the file upload filters. So in the last two videos, we actually bypassed the client-side filters and the server-side filters using various ways. Now, in this challenge, we're going to apply what we have learned, compile them into one solution. So basically, we are required to gain a reverse shell, right, and exploit the file upload vulnerability here after bypassing the filters. So if we navigate to the page here, we see there is an upload area, and we're required to upload our reverse shell to get our connection to our machine. So as we have learned in the past videos, the methodology here is first understanding what's an acceptable file and what is the upload directory. Okay, so let's first run Gobuster to find the upload directory. dir-u url -w user share Gobuster word list and directory list 2.3 medium. Let's try this. So we have content, we have modules, admin, assets. Let's figure out content, page not found, admin. So admin here, as you can see, it's an interface to execute files. So enter file to execute. Seems like we put the path of the file that we have uploaded, all right? And right after the upload has been successful and confirmed, we have to just navigate to the file by typing it here. And what else? Assets, modules. Not found. Oh, let me check the responses. So only this, admin. Okay. Understood. Let's get back. Let's upload a file here. Acceptable one. Something like a picture, an image. So here is JPG image. Let's find one. Oh. Let's take this. So this is good. Select. File successfully uploaded. How to navigate to the file? But we need a list of we need to see what's the file, how it looks like after it has been uploaded. So we're gonna have to find a way to do this. So we can just modify on that. Here type content, admin, and look for JPG images. They change every time. Let's click on inspect and see what's the file name, the background, main, button, object. So we have APH, LKQ, SAT, UAD. These 4 files. Okay. So if we type content and ABH, All right, but I wonder where is the file name? Where is the file that I have just uploaded? It doesn't look like it has been uploaded. Let me do it again. Select file, file successfully uploaded, cancel, sources, content, still 4 files. And as you can see, this is the filter applied by the page. It checks for the file size, it checks for the magic number, it checks for the file extension. So the file extension we have is already acceptable, as you can see. That's why it has been successfully uploaded. But we are still here stuck trying to find where is the file that we have just uploaded. Um, all right, let's see some other file. Nope. Admin. LKQ. Fine, but I can't find my file. One, two, three, four. And here we actually have 4. Let's check for the length. There's a length filter. Maybe that's what has prevented this from being uploaded. Target result length 50 times 8 type 1024 file too big, but we didn't get this warning, and we haven't got these warnings too. Still, weird enough, the file is not showing. We have one, as you can see, called USK, but I haven't seen this. Let me inspect again more time. Council content. I have here 4, but Gobuster is telling me you have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 additional. So let's browse to these files, USK content, USK. And finally, I can see the image that I have just uploaded. Fine. So JPG is an acceptable file, acceptable format, acceptable extension. Now, if we head back and click on Inspect, go to Sources, Content, Assets, JS. So JS here, we can see we have, as I explained earlier, 3 kinds of folders. So the way that will work, these are client-side folders, okay? So as far as file size goes, you're fine. As far as magic number and file extension go, we have a problem. So this site here, as you can see, using JSON, so the kind of reversal we're looking for is written in Node.js. So you're going to need a Node.js payload. And here we have one from payload all the things. If we get down, It was here. Okay, Node.js. So here we have the payload. What we can use here, actually, let's look at this payload. These parts, we don't need to use all the parts here. Function require. Okay, so this is good. We just have to change the IP and the port. Let's take that. Get back. And here. So sudo nano, let's name it bypass filters. Paste this one. Of course, the part that sucks the most is remembering the IP address. Oh, I can see two. Tune 1012. Why 3? Oh. Which one is the correct one? Oh, they're all the same, except this one. This is not correct. This is the correct one because I have changed the VPN, so I'm going to take this. And here in this script, I'm going to have to change the client connect. Keep the one. I know I missed the one. So here, the favorite port, 4555. Okay. The script is available, but the problem is bypassing the filters. Since we're dealing with client-side filters, we can just get rid of them, right? So let's find out first if we really need to get rid of the filters by commenting them out, or we have to change the extension. So settings, perp suite, perp suite. I don't know why I always say suite instead of suite. So this one, manual, apply, okay. Launch perp suite. And I'm bored of people telling me just use Foxy proxy, right? I don't want to use Foxy proxy. I'm fine with perp suite. Although I complain a lot about it, but no problem. So here, let's inspect again, sources, assets. So what we will do, guys, we will intercept the request, okay? And the first method will be by commenting out the magic number. If we comment out this folder, okay, we're gonna have to deal with the extension folder and the file size. So as far as file size goes, we're fine. And as far as file extension goes, we're gonna be fine since the file filter or the file, we're gonna change the extension to be JPG, right? So it's gonna bypass this folder if we just comment this out. If we don't want to comment this out, we can just leave these as they are, change the extension to JPG to deal with the first folder. To deal with the second folder, we have to change the magic number. So here, okay. So file, now file, bypass. So it is, let's nano define. And here we type something like pvv. Now sudo x edit bypass. So we're gonna have to change these. Let's see the magic number for JPG. Come on, shut up. So the magic number is this one. So here. Let's change F, come on man, not capital, FF, okay, the 8, FF is 0. File, so now it is JPG. Let me nano the file to make sure it's still intact. Okay, let's try to upload this file now. See, it's gonna work. So it has been successfully uploaded, right? And the next thing is to activate the listener. And now we navigate to the file. But we have first to determine its name, right? So the name of the file, we don't know the name yet. Inspect. We're gonna have to refire the Debugging one more time. So sudo Gobuster dir dash paste content dash u upload dash x. And now we're going to have to find the file of the name that we have just uploaded. Okay, so Gobuster has finished. Let's see what's the name of the file. So we had this before, I guess. aph.kq. Let's compare them. Inspect. Let's see here. So we cross on that, and we cross on that. Sad UAD. We have this one. This is different. USKYFG. Let's try this one. Seems like we're gonna get something here. NCS dot. Oh, so this is the script actually that we have uploaded, but it's not gonna work like that. We're gonna have to trigger it with the admin panel. So here, admin. Okay, so if the first method of changing the magic number didn't work, as with me, you can just intercept the request with perp suit and comment out the not the extension filter, the magic number filter, this one. So just with backslashes, forward slashes, of course. Yes, and forward. So right now, I'm gonna head back, make sure the script has been modified as we did. GS. So as you can see, the magic number filter has been commented out. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and upload the file one more time. Let's make sure it's all right. Okay. Listener is running. Upload now. So successfully uploaded. Now we're gonna run the Gobuster one more time to extract or find out the name of the file that has been uploaded. So this has finished. We have one new file name, OQX. Let's try to trigger this file. Okay, so we go to admin, and from here we try to navigate and execute the file. So since we want to execute this from the content directory, we're going to have to specify the directory first, content, the file name, and don't forget the 2 dots. Since there is a previous directory for the content, we're going to have to account for this. Let me check now. Actually received a reverse shell. Overwrite upload vulns.thm id ls so cat root cd root ls. So where is the flag? ls.array. So the flag is here. So it worked. The way it worked actually was to just disable the client-side folders totally. What we attempted to do first, in the first case, was to just change the magic number and see if it worked. Actually, it worked. The file has been uploaded successfully, but we couldn't execute it. So we had to change the way to instead of changing the magic number, we gotta have to treat it like a client-side folder and disable the foldering script totally. So that was for today, and see you in the next video.